Valerie Chambers with HoltonWise. I'm here today to discuss with you changes to your property management agreement or to our tenant leases. With a property management company as large as HoltonWise, logistically speaking, the only way that we can operate as a well-oiled machine is by sticking to our proven automated systems. I'm often asked if we can make a change to a clause in the property management agreement or to the lease that we give to the tenants. However, this is something we are not able to do. These documents are tried and tested. They are reviewed by multiple attorneys. They cover both yourself as the owner and us as the property managers. With thousands and thousands of tenants, thousands of owners, there's no way that we can have different rules for different tenants and different owners. This would just open up the door for possible discrimination and liability. We've tried and tested everything, and we know if we have too many spinning plates, eventually they're all gonna fall. Be sure to follow the HoltonWise Instagram page to see our tenant-focused advertising. Also, subscribe to the HoltonWise YouTube channel to be sure to catch all of our real estate-related content, education, and hot properties for sale. As always, Valerie Chambers with HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy. The answer is no. The video there. No explanation.
The answer's no.
Property management company. Sorry, I have an itch. Liability.
And no.
No.